Hello everyone. This is sort of a different kind of video than I usually make, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 characters from the Batman Arkham video game series out of Lego. I hope you all enjoy. So first I'm going to be making Mr. Freeze from Batman Arkham City. Most of these pieces are from the Mr. Freeze polybag, but, there are some from different sets. So first, I started with the legs from the Mr. Freeze polybag. Then I added the torso from that same polybag. But the original arms and hands were all white. So I replaced the arms with this kind of shiny, metal-looking gray arms, and I replaced the hands with just normal dark gray hands. Then I added the head from the Mr. Freeze polybag. Then I added the scuba diver gear from, I don't remember what the set is called, but it's an older set that I got years ago. But you can find this piece in a lot of sets, I think. And it has a blue kind of visor, I guess. And I added some shiny, metal-looking studs on either side to cover up the holes. And lastly, I added the gun from the Mr. Freeze polybag. And there you go, there's Mr. Freeze. Next, I'm going to be making the main villain from Batman Arkham Knight. I'm going to be making Scarecrow. So first I started with Mad-Eye Moody's legs from the Harry Potter polybag series. Then I added Mad-Eye Moody's torso, except I replaced the hands with dark brown hands. Then I added Scarecrow's head from the Batman vs. Scarecrow Tumbler set. Then I added a brown hood. Unfortunately, I don't believe LEGO makes hoods in that dark tan color of the rest of the minifigure, so this is the best I could come up with. Then I added a weird claw accessory piece. I don't know exactly what sets it would be from, but I'm pretty sure it's also in the U-Wing Star Wars set. And there we go. There's Scarecrow. Lastly, I'm going to make the main man himself, Batman's arch nemesis, the Joker. Like Mr. Freeze, this is going to use mostly pieces from the Joker polybag. So first I started out with some purple legs that came in the Joker polybag. They're just Joker's legs. Then I added the Joker's torso from that same polybag. And yet again, from that same polybag, I added the Joker's head, which is pretty much just a head you can find on almost any Joker minifigure you encounter. Then I added this lime green hair that I got from another Joker. I don't remember exactly which Joker it is. I do remember it's from a polybag, I think a newer polybag, and the Joker had like a white suit. But I don't know who played that Joker, and I don't know what that Joker is from. Then I added a goon gun and a knife, because the Joker is often seen with a knife in the Arkham series of games. And there we go. There's the Joker. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment saying so, and leave a comment of which Arkham series Lego I should make next. Thank you for watching.